Well, you smell it burning rubber.
Yeah, it's something, eh? Oh, this shit. Well, we got a train derailment. It's that's all empty there. I don't know. That is back there. See those wheels there. You can go. Yeah, it's okay, just go.
Also some trouble along Highway 17 in the Blind River area after 13 cars from a Huron Central train derailed last night. It happened on the Mississaugi First Nation just west of Blind River at about 7:30 p.m. Luckily, the train was carrying no chemicals. CTV's Jordan Allard reports.
Tipped over trains and crumpled steel. This is the result of a 13-car derailment near Mississaugi First Nation just outside of Blind River.
We got 9 volunteer firefighters.
When he was on his way to the site Sunday night, the band's volunteer fire chief says he feared a worst-case situation that he says fortunately did not unfold.
There's always trains coming by here with hazardous material on the cars, so that's what we were kind of looking at that scenario.
Jeanette says 5 volunteer firefighters helped light up the area so crews from Huron Central Railway could assess the damage.
It was pretty dark, you couldn't really see nothing, and then when we showed up, we started flashing our lights, checking over the wreckage to see if there was any hazardous materials there.
Cleanup continued into Monday. The train was carrying steel coil. In a statement to CTV, Huron Central Railway says no injuries, no hazmat, no residents were in danger, and no crossings were blocked. The people on site are focused on getting the line reopened. All of the proper authorities were notified.
There was nothing really hazardous for us. Nothing on the scene there, so we just did a quick view of it.
The derailment happened a few hundred meters from Highway 17 East. There were no traffic delays, and Huron Central Railway says the line should be up and running again within 2 to 3 days. The Transportation Safety Board is not investigating. The company says at this point crews have not yet determined a cause. Jordan Allard, CTV News, Mississaugi First Nation.